Time out after fucking up the first time out. Yahweh, that sexual slaughter bastard, oh Jesus Christ, needs to slam bikes to my fucking penis and sneezing in my face. And motherland, you're fucking dead, it's your fault. That's how that's what I mean. The creator's got me in a new trap. The creator, God, is just a sexual slaughter, a knife staking bastard, a fucking cruelty fucking terrible. Yahweh, his name is Jehovah, Allah. Right, so where the creator God is buckled up. Creator God, yes, Yahweh, Allah, Jehovah, Jesus, where there's a clot. I get a couple of knife threats and murder threats, child rape threats, woman beater threats. That's the power of Jehovah. One fucking buckled, twisted, sexual slaughtered cunt.